Ebiro mwenda by'okwezi okwire akakiiko kishengera karo kujunanizibwa na hanshongaze by'obwegesi kakabasa kuvugana abakozi ba Mbarara University ababire bari mu kesharingo obwo bari kwenda ngo omuhwezi wa Vice Chancellor Professor Celestine Obua ari kurente babwo bushomankuzi okukozesa ku office okubatuntuza hamwe n'ebindi akesharingo kabo bakija kemereza ebirikumugambwaho y'abanyishengero kubaraganisa kubari kuza kukondooza Professor Celestine Obua konka amakuru agitwatungaho hatanugore kangu Denis Lukaya Omugambirizi wa University abingirwe kumara kw'okwezi kumwe ngo ahabwa kuba akaba nagezaho kuniganiga Vice Chancellor obabire bari mu rukiko n'abanyishengero akahuumuro.
He was shouting, he was threatening to come and attack me until he was restrained by his colleagues. They held him back twice. It is until you are stupid enough not to contain whatever anger you have in you, you must be able to control it. So if this thing happened in public and we as management, we sit and you watch it, what kind of administrators do you think we are?
Ebirikumugambwaho by'okwezi okwire office ya Vice Chancellor kahandikiro University Secretary Mbarara Lukaya kandi ebiro mushanje by'okwezi ku office ya University Secretary kahandikira Lukaya barihibiriza akafurizo emwe kumuragira kwayo tunganaho mu 2012 kandi ejebire kuratirwe kumwemereza hamurimo kumara ukwezi kumwe no bukirabe kirungwa amabara hagagaresa hakabuza ubwo bamwe bari kugira ngo umuntu uri kubasa kumuhandikire barahemwe kumweta kwetonganaho rero kajikura sendije kumwemereza hamurimo izobana ryo rumwata ketonganereho omuhwezi wa Vice Chancellor ari kugambaho na TV West hasimu nagira ngo ekibere kishikire ngo ahabwe ko mushije akaba marize kumwita.
This one was physically coming to strangle me. Do you think that we should just sit back, fold our hands, and then how do you guarantee that tomorrow you will not come to my office and actually stab me with a knife? Somebody who can threat in public. I had two options. I could either have gone to the police or I could handle it administratively.
Vice Chancellor twire natungwaka kumabwe kutwariza kuba bakozi obwe na wari kujumerera bamwe bari kumurwanisa bari mu Dr. Gadu Zaza wari kugira ngo mukazi wakabananda mukuze konka yayanga.
In my opinion, if the Vice Chancellor of Mbarara University, Professor Celestine Obua, and his team are also interested in our lives, they should appraise us, they should listen to your story, otherwise with the passage of time, they will become irrelevant.
My PRO wanted me to appoint him in contracts committee so that he can take care of my interest in the contracts committee, which I declined. Because that is influence peddling, which is wrong. Some of the members who are advocating very much, for example, Viola, the Dean of Faculty of Interdisciplinary Studies, wants her husband employed, who is not qualified, he doesn't have a first degree, she wants the man employed as a lecturer.
Nobwo Omugambirizi wa University yabasa kugamba nshongeje Vice Chancellor yahamya amakuraga konka bamwe bayangira kugambira kamera bagira ngo ekikozire wete kiri mu mateka ngo nahabwe cyo Omugambirizi wa University tayine kurekura office Ndahauson Kagure